What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here, and this is how to make the Snare inside the FL Studio in under 5 minutes, so let's go. So the FL Studio, go to File, go New and Save As, or you don't need to save. Now some of the users, if you click to the master, you will have something new effect here and you just disable, otherwise I don't have it. Let's go. So first off, it's to you to have some sort of the presets or samples. You can get them online, there's some free, some payable, but yeah, okay. So after you find it, copy the location of your, go to the tools or views, go to file settings and just paste it right here. That's actually it, just paste it here. After you do this, on the left side it will appear the name of the folder. So let's go. Now let's go to Snares and go to the Snares, because we are doing the snare roll, that's exactly what we need. That's it, so drag it into the kick for the start. Now let's scroll down twice to get the dance music. Now let's go to the piano roll, and basically here's when we start the snare roll. So first off, you can go, you have to select this to go to seals. That means that it will stick on the lines. Now with this tool you can just drag and drop it, you know, it's not actually dropping, it's drag and you just drop it all the time. So this is the, how can I say, the timeline, and you just select the pattern right here and press it, and that's what we're working right now here. So right now we have on the beat, if we go, we can listen right here. You see it's on the beat. Now the snare rolls multiplies itself when it gets to a certain point. So let's listen to this. We have 4 bars with only 4 of them per beat. Now you need to divide it by 2. So divide by 2, look how many here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divided by 2, it's only 2. You see 1, 2, and divide it again, and let's open a bit closer. And you're gonna make it only the 1, like this. That seems simple, right? Now let's listen how it actually sounds. Seems pretty simple for now, right? Okay, let's go forward. Now because sometimes it goes pitched up, I'm gonna show how to do this. So press on the snare and you have here the pitch range. Now usually it's again multiplied by 2, so it's even 12 or 24, or you can go up as far as you can see. 48 is the maximum. As far as you can see, the 2 number, it's multiplying. So let's go to the lowest one, we won't have that much pitch, you go to 12. Now double click on one, hold the mouse button and go to here, and that's gonna only select this part. Now go to pitch. If you listen what I'm gonna do when I will put pitch up and down. Now you can reset by try click and reset, but you see what's happening, right? So we're gonna right click and make create automation, and this line it represents the pitch up and down. So right now I will have the 4 bars completely without pitch. Now with right click you create a new level, a new point or something. Now these two have to be at the same, if not it's gonna change. So right click on the first and type copy value, second right click on the second one and click paste value. Now that's gonna make a straight line. Now let's put the last one a bit up, and that's basically it. Let's listen. Okay, so that's simple. So without further ado, let's do a small effect even. So I have impacts. So I'm gonna put the effect, maybe different one, and just put it right here to fill the gap. So the drop it's gonna be in this 1/90. So let's listen. And that's it, it makes a cool effect, and let's go up. So that's basically how I create a Snare inside the FL Studio. It's extremely simple, you just have to do these steps. And this is my name is Nejc Filipič, guys, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.